Hey guys, so we have here our Honda CR-V. In this case, this is the model year 21. And in this video, we want to explain to you how to replace the air filter for the engine. So first we're going to open up the driver door, and underneath the lever for the gas cap, we'll find here the lever for the hood. And so once we've popped that open, then we have another small lever here right on top of the H. So we're going to flip that to the right, and then you can easily open up the hood. And then don't forget to put up this rod here that's ready for us to hook into that one little hole on the upper left side. And then here, this is the cover where the air filter is located under, and there's four Phillips screws here that we have to loosen. And we just loosen them. So when you unscrew these four Phillips screws, you don't actually take them out. So all of them actually stay in there. So that actually helps us because we are not in danger of just accidentally dropping one of these screws. You see, when you pull on them, that is not going to come out. That is going to be sitting in there really loose. Okay, so of course we do need a replacement filter. So I found this one here on Amazon. It's actually a 2-pack. So this was a really good deal, and I'm going to leave the link to it down in the video description. So now let's open up here this cover. We just lift it up just a tiny bit, and just so much that it allows us to pull out the old filter. So you see this one is actually still in good shape. So I didn't know that this filter was still looking so good, so I'm actually not going to replace it this time. But what I'm going to do is check on the bottom here of the box here inside that there's no dirt and debris sitting around, because then that would in the future potentially clog up the filter. Then when we put in the new filter, make sure this little nose that you see there on the side of the filter, that this is facing us. So that will correspond here with this little cutout here in the box on the top of the cover, the filter box cover. And then we're just going to put the cover back on, make sure that it really sits tight and that it seals right, by just wiggling it around a little bit. And then of course here, tighten all the four screws really tight again, make sure that everything sits right. And at this point we're already done, so we can here close up the hood, take the pole out, make sure it sits back right into that little plastic bracket there, that it doesn't fly around. And then when you close the hood, make sure to just drop it from about a foot high. Yeah, and so this was already it for this video. Hope you found the information helpful, and if you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below.